Talo for Samoa, and welcome to our Ole Fesili for this week, a segment that is dedicated to questioning or asking questions about issues and topics happening around our community. And this week, it's part 2 of our Ole Fesili. Is it Rover or the person? Awa se tasilo mata upu tele mana tufa lia ole malu tato tunu le sava aya fo ilunga tato prokalame ile vai aso mvaya tuni Ole Fesili Ole Rover por kanaka ku polisi
kanaka wa ele semere Rover por kanaka
ya ma fu kanaka
bro wa ugi lo wa fu Rover
kanaka ya lenga ku polisi
or kanaka wa yor kanaka
or kanaka ku polisi
ole vai aso la leni le ala tato to ya nga I fo I mamalu tato tunu e tu mai fo inisi ala to manatu e fa mautu ina pe sa o sitara Ole Rover por tamata tu puede le.
Well, as you've seen with all the police reports, it's all these drinking sessions that have gone really ugly. And what they found out, the culprit is the Rover. It's I don't know what's in that stuff. That is it is one dangerous alcohol. It's actually poison and it should be banned. There's something about the Rover. There's an anger gene in your brain, and you get to that point. You don't know what's happening, you can't control it, and you get angry.
Person. And I think part of it too is community responsibility. When you have liquor that is that cheap, that is accessible to 15-year-olds, then there's a problem there. When you have small stores that are not being monitored by AMSL or whoever, that are allowing kids to come in and buy not just Rover, but cigarettes, then there's a community responsibility that needs to be there. But any alcohol that you're drinking in huge amounts and short amounts of time, because they're binge drinking, so they can get drunk faster, is going to cause you health issues, psychological issues, crime. So there's a lot of things that are consequential to that type of drinking. So
e ala ona mafua le tupo le besi malenga ona ole me manus ole fang manus wa tu wala tangata ya boling mo full fang manus ke lo ele ya la se me tu ai ina ua tango fia lo le me manus ya o nala le tupo mai ya pia po le tala no atua ya e fa so atu tu spa ya ve mai tala tu spa ya mole ole hangalo ole tangata inu ile pia pole boina ole fa pisa o
Samoa, we have to take into serious consideration what our people are trying to say.
pa ole fa ine anta to le me mano sile le te sa no ya ola wa ya tala ka long kapu ba ele se me le tupu mai.
I don't see how much worse it can get. I mean, this is the worst of the worst. You're just like the Chinese beer they bought in years ago. The what do you call it? The tausala. Yeah, they banned that because people were doing the same thing. They didn't know what they were doing. It doesn't happen with the beer and the other spirits. There'll be something else, but it won't have the deadly outcome which the Rover, unfortunately, it's been happening. It's a deadly outcome. It's a bad outcome. If they can close the cigarette factory, they can close the Rover factory.
that's why when people have asked, or crying out to ban Rover, or something else will come along, or else they will find ways to buy other alcohol. So I don't think that's the answer.
Yeah.
Well, I think this kind of education has to go in schools. Overseas they have education in schools, quite young, age appropriate, talking to them about the effects of alcohol. And they have pamphlets that go out that actually talk to you about the levels of drinking, what is considered overuse and what is considered problematic. So a lot of the education about if you're going to drink safely, how do you drink responsibly?
Yes.
Because these kids are going to drink with it because they want to experience it, and some of them have really bad experiences.
Who have been affected or are closely associated with this very, very crucial topic, Rover or the person.
We can't just talk. We're always saying ban, but we're doing absolutely nothing. I mean, too many lives have been lost because of this Rover. it is what it is, and well, we gotta ban it. We families can't go through this again. I mean, the two brothers, just such heartbreaking. I don't know. We'll see what the government does and the judges and everything else, and hopefully we'll ban the Rover.
There is now a big move by the government to suspend the sale of Rover around the community. But does that really solve the issue at hand? So show us your thoughts in the comments below. Fa'ali melo manatu ile nei mata upu. Ilalo I kako meni olo ilalo. But yo, until next time, don't forget to love, like, and subscribe on iSpy's social media content as well as our YouTube for more content just like this one.